Okay, I'm not sure if. Oh, let me fix this microphone. Okay, so there we go. Sorry for the delay on streaming today. I have been recording some new videos and stuff. But you know, might as well make a little bit of time for a stream, even if it is quite late. But yeah, I won't be streaming for too long, but I did promise to do a stream today, so here I am. I'm just gonna get some stuff done or continue what I was doing yesterday. I got some more stuff done this morning, which I will show you guys in a minute. Another update is Fred's back. He's up there now. It's actually obviously not Fred. It's a little spider plushie. But he's going to be joining me in my streams now. That's quite cool. But yeah, let's get into the stream and start actually developing this game again. So I'm going to try and get my music back up. Okay, hi, Lemon and Charlotte, Sophia, Avocado, Grant, Lizzie, Charlie, Connie, Eliza, and Alexi. Welcome to the stream. How's my day been? My day has been very productive today. Thank you. Hi Daniel, you got 200 subs in 6 days. Yeah, something like that. It's the growth has been mad on this channel, which I'm very grateful for. Yeah, it's really good. I can't watch this now. I need to go to bed. Yeah, I understand that it is really late. So I apologize. Obviously, I know it's now weekdays, so some of you guys will have to go to bed early and stuff like that. But you know, you can always watch the streams later on. It just won't be as interactive, I guess. But I will try and stream earlier when I can. As I said, today's just been a busy day. Yeah, so let's have a go at this. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got working today. So I have a puzzle for the generators sort of working now. I will show you this. How long will the stream be? Again, like usually how my streams are is until I get tired and stop, or I have to go off and do something else for a bit. But yeah, I'm not too sure on how long it would be. So maybe about an hour or two. Not a very long stream today. Yeah, so this is the new puzzle we have. So it's sort of like, I guess, Fluid Facility or something. Where it kind of shoots across. Obviously, Fluid Facility has a circle, but I kind of wanted it to be a bit more simpler than that. So I have a little curved thing that goes from left to right, and then if you press it in the green, it will do something. You know, you could continue turning on the generator and stuff like that. Let me just put this into the maps so that I can show you guys the notification thing I did. So one thing I did notice was for new players there wasn't much direction of, you know, what to do. So what I have done is added a little notification thing that will pop up here in a sec. Yeah, so it says activate, or it should say activate, but it says activate the generators to restore power to the map. And that's exactly what you have to do, obviously. So we've changed sort of how the game will run. So to start, you have to activate all the generators to open up the gas station doors. So obviously the gas station is over here. I'll fly around this actually. So the gas station is over here. So you'll have to turn on the generators first now, so there won't be the whole keys and everything like that. Or there will be the keys, but they just the generator rooms will be open anyway. So you have to turn on generators first to open the gas station. In the gas station is where the first key will now be. And and the first key will open this cabin, which will soon be locked. And in the cabin will be a hammer, which obviously knocks down the barricades, which is in the cave down here. So it'll knock down this barricade and this one over here as well. I think we're going to remove this one and we're going to replace it with something else. Yep. So the cave will have something that will slow the beast down. So such as, you know, there'll be a safe in here, and a gun. Something like that. Yeah. Maybe maybe not a gun, but you know, something to slow the hunter down. And a key which has and then we're gonna have something else somewhere. Maybe I built this house over here. So in this house there's gonna be a chest which you have to open, and in the chest will be a lever, and the lever will open the gate. Well, there'll be one over there, but it will open the gate here. So you have to attach the lever to the exit thing here, and then obviously pull it, and the gate will open, and that's how you escape. So basically, there's a lot more things to do, and it also means that players can't be in one. They won't. Sorry. Players will have to do more than one thing at once, so they can't just all bundle up together and do all the tasks at once. They'll have to actually go around the map and work as a team to actually escape. And that's more of what I wanted to have in the game. Happy birthday for tomorrow, Chloe. I might not be playtesting tomorrow because there's some more things I want to do. But definitely by the end of this week, we will start getting the playtest going. I can save half an hour since it's school. Yes, I said that a bit earlier. I understand, you know, it's school. You have to go to bed earlier and stuff like that. But I'll keep the stream running for about an hour or hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. We'll see how much I get done. And then anything you don't see, you could always catch up on tomorrow. It's just, all the lives are posted on my channel, so you can have a look. Also, I have a new video coming out tomorrow at 6:30 UK time, so GMT time. So at 6:30. It's a pretty funny video actually, so make sure you check that out at 6:30 tomorrow. I've been up for 2 hours. Like, when do you go and stream? Yeah, as I said, bit busy today, but you know, still getting a little streaming. Anyway, let me turn on my music a bit. Apology if it's loud. I think it's fine. I'm just gonna quickly route the system to my mic. Yeah, so you should be able to hear my music now. Yeah. And yes, happy birthday for tomorrow again, Chloe. Okay. So I want to get the generators actually doing the puzzle. So as I showed you just a minute ago, we have the puzzle which goes left to right. We also have a progress bar which will go across like this. So how I want to do this is in the map where the generators are. Each generator, I'm gonna put in a number value called power, and that'll be basically how much power is in the generator to start it, sort of thing. So it'll go from 0 to 100, and in between that, players will have to complete tasks. And if a player fails a task, it alerts the hunter that they failed, just like in Flee the Facility. And the hunter probably will come over here to try and capture some players. Yes. Does Phoebe know how to make games? Yes, she's placed down like these decals and stuff like that. So she's been helping me a bit with like designing the game, designing the map, and yeah, I've been giving her a bit of, you know, guidance with that. Okay. Yes. So some of my icons are here, some of Phoebe's icons are in the game. That's very true. I love the video of you meeting Poppy. Thank you. That was quite fun to record actually. Yeah, that was good. So I just realized this path is a bit thin on the terrain here. So I'll just widen it a tiny bit like that. That looks fine to me. Cool. So let's get these generators actually working. So we're gonna need to change. What we're gonna need to change. The game up here where it handles generators. Need to change that code. And you also need to change how the puzzle works here. Are you going to be able to close the door behind you, or does the door disappear? Yeah, I will make doors like here. I'll replace them with normal doors, so you have to, you know, click to open and stuff like that. Just like I did with my game saving Christmas. So it'll be the sort of like the same door system as that. Yeah. Hope you can do role plays with them. Maybe in the future, who knows? I'm not gonna say anything, just in case. But yeah. Another thing I added to the map was this mist, which adds like a nice sort of like foggy effect. Makes it quite creepy. Obviously, you know, it illuminates around the fog as well when the killer's around, so it does. You can kind of see it more there actually. So it kind of illuminates red around here. So that is a really cool effect. Kind of adds a bit of more ambience to this map. Yes, so let's get these generators working again. The generators were quite a trouble yesterday, but I think we can do it today. Just thought so you can lock yourself in away from the beast. The beast will still be able to open doors, or the hunter, sorry. He'll still be able to open the doors. I want that because, well, I don't want people to be able to trap themselves in here and not be able to complete the generator, or like the beast wouldn't be able to get in because you can't then prevent people from doing the generator. It just makes it very difficult for him to stop the players escaping. But yes. Okay. What am I doing? Generators. So let's go to the puzzle code. And get rid of this. And we're gonna make a new function called called open puzzle. Cool. So we're gonna do return false here, and then up here we're gonna do return true. Actually, we're going to return success. We'll do completed actually. So you also need to make it so players can tap. So we'll do or object or use input type, I think. Touch. Oh, we'll change this up to probably to a function up in here called end. Yeah. Okay. When will the game be released? Hopefully, I'm hoping it'll be this week. We will see. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm hoping it'll be this week, if not next week. But I will try and stream, and you'll be able to see the progress anyway. So you'll probably be able to tell when the game's nearing completion. But yeah, so it's Monday today. I'm gonna still aim to do it by Friday. However, it may run over to next week potentially. We shall see. Hopefully, seriously, when you hear a heartbeat and the beast is near, is it possible to do something like that at this game to? Yes, I will definitely make the sound. So obviously, like, yeah, so when the beast or the hunter is close, there'll be sounds, and you will see the obviously the red light and the sound like the heartbeat, or and there'll be like intense music. So it's sort of the same as that, but yeah. It's so crazy to start with the platform. Yeah, I mean, you can go back to the very first stream I did and just see how it was just a base plate, and now we have all of this stuff. It's crazy how much it kind of progresses into an actual game. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's get this progress bar going again. So let's start from the game, from where they click it. So we're going to comment this out because we don't want this. So we're going to, on the remote, which are in here. I think I've already made one for this. Yeah, it's called give puzzle. So we're going to do give puzzle, fire client player. Do you have the player? Yeah, I do. It's there. And then we will do generator. So we're going to give it the generator object. So we're going to give it this so the player can find the power value. And then when that's changed, the progress bar will go up. Yeah, something like that. So here we do. Yeah. Let's try to think of how we're gonna do this. That's not his boss success. Is equal to nil. Okay, so we're gonna put completed down here. And set success to that. Cool. Okay, so that's our input to stop. So we'll put the ender in here. So, and then down here, we'll do remote. Oh, I haven't put remotes in yet. Okay, let's get that in. There's replicate storage.remote, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even have my screen. There they are. So remote server.give puzzle connect open puzzle connect. Yeah. So that will. So when we do it up here, that will give. So fire the event to the player who clicked the generator and give them the puzzle. And then this is where we're going to do the progress bar stuff. So we're going to do generator dot power dot value get property change. I'm going to change my input language. We have a look at the chat. I'm excited for it to be released so I can play it. Yeah, me too. This game is going to be very, very fun to play and to make, definitely. Or it already is fun to make. Hi Charlie, how you doing? I kind of ate all my donuts now. All I crave is donuts. Who else loves donuts? I do like donuts actually. That's very true. If you're not busy, the next stream, can you do it at 6? Yes, I will try tomorrow to do it at 6. We will see. I'm not sure where a good place is where I can post what time I'll stream, because I don't really know when I'm gonna stream, because I don't know. I don't really wake up and go, okay, I'll stream at this time, because I might be recording in the morning with Phoebe, or for my channel or something like that. So it'll sometime tomorrow I will stream, and I'll try and make it a bit earlier than today's. Yeah. Cool. We'll do well, yeah, we're gonna get rid of the can do puzzle, and we're gonna do can open puzzle. Equals true, and we need to get rid of that. Yeah. So if can do puzzle, then make sure we're not already in a puzzle. Can open puzzle, sorry. Yeah. So that is now our power. So in the progress GUI, which is, we'll just label progress nicely. So we'll do progress bar tween size. Yeah. Tween size. How are you, Josh? I'm doing very well today. Very happy. I'm happy Fred's back. So say hello to Fred. Made a return. I might get him down closer in a minute so you can actually see what he looks like. But yeah, my plan is to get him on a bit of string or something so he can actually like hang like he did when he was there. I think he's still outside, to be fair, probably still in the garden hoping to come back in. Oops. In outside, point to true. Yeah, that looks good. So it'd be on the x-axis, the scale x that we need to do. Power dot value divided by 100. So we'll do the current power. Oh yeah, we don't need to do value. So the current power divided by 100, which is the max amount of power that it can be. We'll do if power is more than or less than 100, then and also if power is more than or equal to 100, then print finished puzzle. Yeah. So there's also a thing here called completed puzzle. So that's the event we'll fire back to the server, which will say how it was completed. So it will say if it was completed normally, like the power was just gone from 0 to 100, and then we'll do another one which will say if so the first one will be it was completed normally. The second one will be if the player exited, so they just jumped out. So if, for example, if the hunter was close to the generator and they just left the area or something to escape him. So we'll do that, and then another one will be if they failed the puzzle, which is the slidey thing you saw. Yeah. You left him and got a new uninvited friend. Nothing like replacing. No, he's not replaced. He's just been embodied into a plushie. So yeah. So Fred is our little companion now. Cool. So this is where we're going to do the puzzles. Yeah, so that makes sense. And then we'll do this again. Here. We should open the slider again. So if it was more than 50, but less than 55. And then we'll do another one for about 80%. So if you were the only person doing the generator, you'll have to do 3 puzzles. And for example, if there's 3 people or 4 people, whatever, people trying to activate the generator, they will have to do the puzzle, obviously. So there's more chance of it failing potentially. So it makes it a tiny bit more difficult, but yeah. How do you post videos on YouTube? I think you have to be in a web browser. I'm pretty sure you have to be in a web browser. And you would go to create at the top and then upload video. If you're unsure, just Google. That's how I learn most things. I'll just Google how to do something. Yeah. Does Phoebe know about this murder? Yes, she does. It wasn't a murder actually. He was taken outside and he's living his life now, living his best life in my garden. This game sounds fun. Yes, definitely. That's the aim, is to make a fun game. I'm not sure if that will work, but we will test it. We'll see what happens. I'm probably gonna make another one called Exit Puzzle, which will be if the generator was turned on, and it will fire this and it will cancel all this stuff. Let's make another function called local function close puzzle, and we'll do it on here. So we'll put the close up here actually, because we might need to do it here. Yeah. Make sure that the puzzle is not running. And we'll end all of that stuff as well. We're gonna make another thing up here called connections, which is gonna be a little table. And then in the close as well, we will do actually connection. So that will get rid of the connections, and then in here we're gonna do generator power value. Yes. What's your favorite type of game to make? The story game was very fun to make. That was pretty good. This game is very fun to make as well. I like making roleplay games because they're quite adventurous. So you can, I like making games where players can kind of just do whatever they want and like they kind of control the game. So those are fun games to make. I don't really have a favorite. I just yeah. Every game that I make, I have a certain kind of interest for myself, because I believe if you're making a game, you would want to play it yourself. You know, you need to make a game that you would want to play, and then because then you'll find it fun, and if you find it fun, then other people will find it fun. Because I think someone tweeted out the other day something like that as well, saying how are other people going to find joy in the game if the developer can't. And he like me, I've spent, you know, several hours in studio making this game, and need to be not tired out from it, basically. Yeah. When do you think the game will be released? The game will probably be released either the end of this week, so Thursday, Friday, potentially. Depends how much I get done tomorrow. I don't think I'll need to record anything for my channel tomorrow, so I can get a lot of development work done. So maybe the end of this week, maybe next week, we'll see. I'm not 100% certain yet, but yeah. Did it snow last night? Not that I'm aware of, no. This looks confusing. Do you publish these? Yes, this game will be published. It will be advertised. It's an actual game that I will be sponsoring, and you know, hopefully it becomes popular. I keep trying. Every game I make, I try and beat my previous record. So like Saving Christmas hit 800 concurrent players and 1.8 million plays. So I'm gonna try and get more than 1,000 players at once playing the game, and over 2 million plays in total, which I definitely think is possible with this game. Definitely. It's too fun almost not to, you know. Will you be able to spectate players if you die? Yes, so there'll be a spectate thing, and also I'm gonna add like a companion you can spawn in as, sort of like in Slender, you can spawn as a proxy. What I'll do is have another like a sort of companion that you can go around and sort of like alert the hunter where players are, and like help them find players and stuff like that. Yeah. What type of game is this? An escape game with a player that chases you around. Cool. So in this open, we need to make sure that the progress, I'll do frame, oops. Yeah, so we want all of these things to be visible. We don't want the puzzle to be visible. It should handle all of that in this, but yeah. And then we also need to reset the progress bar. So yeah, dot size is 0010. So that will reset the position of the bar, and also this will open them all up and everything. And here we will do the same thing, just make them invisible. Yes. Cool. So that should open up. We could probably test that. So we won't be able to actually do the puzzle, but we'll see if it actually opens this up. So disable the progress. Get rid of that. Cool. Let's see what happens. Looks creepy at night. Yeah, that'll be the default lighting. So basically, so the game is called Survive the Night. So by the end of the game, it probably will be daylight. So the lighting will change as the game goes on. So it'll get brighter and brighter, which probably make it harder for players because the beast will be able to see further and stuff like that. Yeah, I forgot to do on client event. Whoopsie. I always forget to do this. Don't know why. I just think you can just connect to the event like that. Stupidly. It's like Piggy and Play City. Yeah, basically. I think that's right. Alright, let's have a look, see if that works. So for now, we will have to do the thing. Actually, to be fair, just while I test this, let's put we can get rid of the red door and the orange door, actually, because we don't actually know where the doors are going to be at the moment. Obviously, I know where the first one's going to be. It can be in the cabin now, but the generator rooms won't have doors anymore. Cool. So I also had the flashlight. I think that I was in yesterday's stream, potentially. Oops. Got to put the map back in here. Will the beast be in first person like in Flee Facility? I don't really like being locked in first person as a beast or a hunter personally, but I'll test it and see how it kind of works in this game, because we'll see. It might need to be. Oh yeah, need to get rid of in the generators the door. So that whole thing we coded yesterday. Yeah, I think what I will do is in the cabin right at the back, I'll put a door on that one with another generator in, so you have to have a key to get into that one. To activate that generator, so you need to activate 3 generators in total. I think that would be pretty good, but only one of them will be locked, sort of thing. So players will have to find the key first to unlock that one. Okay, whoopsie. 122 is an error. Progress dot oops. Progress bar. Yeah. Don't know why I did that. I prefer not first person. Yeah, I don't. I think it's to add a bit another level of difficulty to the game. I think that's what it's intended for anyway. Okay, so this should give us the puzzle. Cool. And for now, in here, oops. So it will be object equals that generator.power, and then also we'll do players. So the players thing will be what players are currently in here. So I think I might make a maximum of 3 players that can try and do this, because the more players there are, the quicker obviously it will go up. So there'll be a max of 3 players that can do this. We'll do another thing up here called run generator. I want you to do that. There will be info because I've created it up here. So we'll do a running thing up here as well. So we'll spawn it up here because we'll need to do a loop in here, which will make it while info dot running, and then we'll do info dot running is true. Do wait 0.5, something like that. We'll do, and then we'll do generator info dot generator. Oh no, dot value equals. So we'll make it so if there's 2 players, it goes twice as fast. 3 players, 3 times as fast. Something like that, yeah. And then a max of 3 players. And we'll put the info up here as well, actually. Yeah, and info dot players. Oops. Players. Less than 3. We'll do that first, actually. Insert. Cool. We'll have to remove players from this. This is quite complicated, actually. What time are you streaming till? I'll probably stream until I get this generator system done, and then I will stop streaming. Yeah, the stream today won't be too long because I've worked quite a lot today off camera. So yeah. See you later, Pat. Thank you for watching. Can you try making a story game soon? Yeah, I do have a plan to make a story game. I just wanted to do this first, as had the idea for it, and I was just like, yeah, okay, this is a really good sort of game to do. So yeah. Info.power value. We'll clamp it to 100 as well, because it could go up 3 at 99, and yeah, go over 100. So we'll just clamp it, just, you know, for peace of mind. If then we'll do all this stuff. So that is now where we will do. We'll do info. If not running, then we run it. Whoops. We need to do an exit thing as well, which will be to do with this. But for now, let's just see what happens when I run it. Quit my game of Monopoly to be fair, Monopoly stresses me out, so I don't blame you. Favorite time of day, I like when the sun is setting. It makes the sky look very pretty, and also it's a good mood. Can we see Fred the plushie soon? Yes. I'll make him sort of closer, maybe like above here, so you'll be able to see him. This is the same project as Noob Escape. Yeah, I've just kind of rebranded it to be more of a kind of a scary game, I guess. Okay, that goes way too quickly, but it works when it gets to 100. It should turn on. Cool. It worked. Yeah. But it's it's really quick. Is player in generator player generator info oops in info dot players do if player is equal to this this player, then return true, else return false. So we need to do this to make sure that players can't spam it and just break the whole thing pretty much. So if not, and then we'll do it up here as well, actually, just to in case it does this and you know they clicked it again. If the extra short, pretty much. You should have charged Robux for the torch, but softly didn't. Yeah, I probably won't charge people for the torch because it's something I think players need to get around, to be fair. They'll have to deactivate the torch anyway to pick up items, so it does make it a bit more difficult having a torch anyway, and it's not something I want people to buy. I think it should just be something people can have. You do Bloxburg house tour maybe in the future, maybe could be coming. We'll see what happens. Bet Josh is a really good builder on Bloxburg. Surprisingly, no, I'm terrible. I'm so bad. I think because Bloxburg's like building system is so different to Studio. I just try and build like I'm in Studio, and obviously that wouldn't work. Yeah, I'm at no way near the level of Amber, Phoebe, Chelsea. Maybe the same level as Rich though. So this thing did not work. I just realized. So in the thing here, we're going to do progressive equals false. Oh, we'll do that up here as well, actually. Need to replace that. And then we'll do puzzle. Yeah, that makes more sense. And we'll put these two together. Makes more sense like that. Wait 1 second instead. I'm really surprised. Would have thought you'd been good. So don't show me laughing so hard. What can I say? Went from building a block spread to try and build a game for blocks to me weeks because I had no idea how to use studio controls. Yeah, it's obviously studio block space kind of dumbed down for like a younger audience, sort of like Sims. You know, it makes it very, very easy to build. And studio is more like I guess it's more advanced, obviously, because you're actually making a game. And it's kind of industry standard. So yeah, semi-industry standard, like not AAA. Chelsea will be the judge. Yeah, Chelsea is a good builder. So we need to do connections, puzzle input, and we'll put that in here as well. Yeah. Oh, disconnect. Whoops. We don't want that to happen anymore after the game has done it. So we'll put the connections up here because yeah, I need to reprioritize some of these things. Actually, we want to stop it completely. Like that. Awesome. Hi Ruby, how you doing? Okay, this open slider thing didn't work, so I'm gonna have to rework this. Sort of. We'll do a power thing here. Oh, and we need to make it a lot slower, don't we? Where was it? Plus 0.1. Oops. No. Oh no, yeah. Okay, let's see what happens. I know how to build, just bad at scripting, so I leave it as I don't need anything too advanced. Yeah, to be fair, a lot of people have just made games by just building, you know, like showcase and stuff like that. A lot of scripts you can find in free models. It's just making sure they're not going to completely you know, lag. Okay, I made it very, very slow. Maybe that isn't the best. We'll do 0.25, see what happens. Can you get a shout out? Yep, hi, it's Lizzie. How are you? I'm good, Smart Heart Plagues. How are you doing? Thank you for asking. Activate generators to restore power to the map. Yes, will do. I think that's a pretty good pace. Okay, so it disabled, but it just didn't open. puzzle, weirdly. Oh, because I didn't make the puzzle visible. Probably it's because of that. Wait, did I change that? I don't know if I did or not. Puzzle visibles, true. Yeah, okay, I did change it. I thought it didn't then. That would have been not disastrous, but it would have worked. Map is very pretty. And I like it a lot. Looks like it works to me. So I just need to make it so if players walk away, then this goes away. And also I need to make sure that if they don't get it correct, then it stops and puts a thing on here saying the generator was done wrong. Cool, it works. Nice. So those two things I need to do. I love your accent, Josh. Thank you. It's a combination, I think, because I've moved quite a lot around England. So it's a combination of like southern, northern, east, maybe a bit of central, I'm not sure. So the beast is coming to get you when you're doing a generator. Will it save your progress if you leave the generator? Yes. So if you walk away from generator at like 50%, when you go back to it, it'll still be at 50%. When I first started watching Amber and Phoebe, I couldn't tell the voices apart. Now I can. Yeah, their voices are quite similar, actually. So I can see why. I can tell the difference, obviously now. But when I first obviously found out who Phoebe and Amber were, I thought it was pretty similar as well. Yeah. What do you press when it's in the green bit? So you press the E key. On mobile, you'll just tap, and then on a console, it will be something else. Not too sure yet. It's like Dead by Daylight. Yeah, it is by Dead by Daylight. That's what this game is actually inspired by. Me and Phoebe have played that game. It's a good game. You're doing so I can't wait to play it. Thank you very much, Lizzie. That's very kind of you. It's a very fun game to make, as I keep saying, but you know, it is a fun game to make. So what were we doing? Oh yeah, we need to make it so if they walk away, we'll do that in here, I think. So we can do another one, thing up here. We'll do generator player dist for distance. Generator, we need to set a primary part, yeah. Not sure what that should be. Let's put the new map in. Well, what should I call this map? I think I'm gonna call it like Dark Forest or something like that. You know, something basic. But if you have any cool ideas for what this map should be called, obviously it's like a Dark Forest. That's why I thought of having that. But I could name it some like cabin or something like that. You know. But yeah, if you have any cool ideas for what I could name this, then let me know. So I think I'm gonna make the primary part this yellow thing, which is kind of like the main part, I guess, in the generator. The reason why we need to do that is because in this puzzle thing we're gonna do is generator primary part. Need to make sure there is a character, just in case the character died. We need to get the magnitude of this. If distance is more than 10, 12, then we'll do remotes. So client. Completed. We'll call this puzzle return actually. Puzzle status. What puzzle status? Walked away. So do fire server event, I think it's called. It's not called fire server, it's called just fire server, I'm pretty sure. Let me have a look. Remote event. Fire server, yeah. Fire server walked away. So we'll do another one. So we need to, I'm going to return the index as well. So we'll do the function is actually just so it's pretty normal. Unfortunately I've got to go. No problem, Sophia. The game's looking amazing. Yes, happy birthday Chloe as well, I keep having to say. So yeah, so see you later Sophia, thank you for watching the stream. How did you meet February? I think February did say, I don't know what I call February. And Phoebe did say how we met, but I think I'm gonna save it for if me and Phoebe do a video, like Q&A video together. We can say how we met that way. Yeah. If then if is in, then table dot remove. We'll do info equals generators generator and info. Then we'll do info dot players index. So that will remove the player from here. And it has info dot players more than 0. So if there are players actually in or doing the generator, then it will continue running. But if it isn't, then it will stop. Yes, that sounds pretty good. I remember you're the owner of the character loader thing. Yes, I made that years ago actually. I think I updated it because recently because Roblox released some new things. But yeah, I did make the character loader thing. When can we test the game? Can I have a screenie? Yes, of course. When we test the game, obviously I want you guys to test the game, but after we have tested, I will spend a bit of time, playing the game with you guys, and we'll get some screenshots and stuff like that. Yeah. Let me just check something. Oh yeah, also a little reminder of my new video coming out tomorrow, 6:30. Make sure you're around for that. I'll be back soon. See you later, Josh. We have a good day or night. It's night time for me. But thank you, Smart Top Plays. Hope you have a good day too. Obviously I can't test the game right now because it's not really playable, but yeah, once the game is playable, like once all the generators and the keys and stuff, all that works, which will be very, very soon, probably tomorrow, that will all be done. I can work on the beast, or I'll keep calling it the beast hunter. So then once the hunter is all coded, such as, you know, the noises when he's close and stuff like that, once all that is done, I will then do some playtests with you guys. I have to code the round system obviously as well, but I predict it'll probably be maybe Wednesday or Thursday we get that done. So up here we need to give this the generator as well. Walked away from generator. And in here we'll have to do remote start puzzle status on server event connect function. In this handle actually I'm going to do I have a connections thing, don't I? No. Let's make a connections for this as well. Connections table. Let's make it so make sure all of them are disconnected and then reset the table as well. Actually we'll do that there. Cool. So in here we'll do connections, generate. Can I say with an object? Can I think connections remove anyway, don't they? When... Okay, I'll leave that there just in case anyway. Me and Mandy came up with some names for the map, the Apple Forest and abandoned camps. Abandoned campsite's cool. Yeah, I like that. Abandoned campsite. How will we know when you're able to join? I will live stream. I'll definitely live stream, yeah. Definitely live stream. So I'll be live streaming, and then whoever is in the live stream or and/or is in the group will be able to test the game with me. Yeah. I need to accept some more people into this group actually. Hi Ewan, how was cadets? I used to be in cadets actually, I was in the year cadets. I don't need to do that, I just realised. Player reason generator. We'll do if this is equal to generator, then being tested today or tomorrow? Tomorrow or Thursday. Most likely Thursday. We shall see. Hi, Crazyman Studios. My day's been good. How's your day been? My day's been productive. Yeah. Answer both those questions at once. I think I'll be testing more likely on Wednesday, Thursday. We will see. Keep thinking it's Tuesday, but yeah. Then just player exit. Player to generator. Okay, so we will see if we'll do close puzzle as well up here. Let's see if this thing works. I just realized actually I'll have to do the close puzzle after the event just to make sure the event is fired first. I'm planning to make another game after you're done with this game. Depends how this game does. I will obviously make I will make more games than just this one. 100%. Definitely. However, obviously if this game does well, my focus for a while will be on updating this game. And if it does do well, fingers crossed, I'll be able to potentially hire other people to help me make other games as well. But we'll have to see. In the game 158. Whoopsie. Remote stop client. Yeah, forgot about that. $5 p.m. onwards to give people more of a chance. Yeah, definitely. It'll be in the afternoon. I know it is inconvenient because it's weekdays and it's not on a holiday. But yeah, it will be after 5 that we'll do tests like that and stuff. So if I walk away, it should stop and yeah, cool. I need to do it up here as well. I just realized in the puzzle. Yeah, need to do that. Just so it doesn't do that jumpy thing when but it did work to be fair, so that's good. That's good. I need to do some server security as well, such as to make sure that they can't just, you know, exploiters or hackers can't just fire this and do the generator straight away. Like it has to actually be 100% and stuff like that. So else if actually I might not need to do that because I don't think players, because all the power stuff's done on the server. So actually that's pretty good. Failed puzzle. Then we're gonna do player exit. We'll get the info before this generator equals this generate. Just realized. Generators. Well, I should do that in here. If info, then yeah. Generators. That's a bit more security there. Okay, and then we'll do for player in info.players to player exit. This player. Cool. We're also going to send a notification to these players, which will say that player failed. So we'll do So we'll get rid of all that, put that here, and then we'll do font Gotham black here as well. Build the puzzle. Okay, so I think that does work. Did I do that in here so it has a good... Oh no. Make sure it has text size. Failed. I will do it here as well. Slash, we should up in here as well. Do equal slash. Oops. Yeah. Let me get rid of that. So to me that looks right. Get rid of that as well. Can get rid of that. I think in this module actually, there's a way to, rich text, which is the module I'm using for the things. There is an animation. What are the animations? Animations. There's a appear, fade, wiggle, swing, spin. We'll just keep it as that for now. So let's see what happens when I fail this puzzle. Nothing, because I haven't coded that actually. Okay, we're going to return true for these. Oops. And return false for the last one. And then we'll do if success. And we'll do if not success actually. Because, and then we'll give the reason. What was the reason? Failed puzzle. So let's see what happens when I fail the puzzle now. Are you in real life Phoebe's boyfriend? Yes. I am. I am Josh. Would it be possible to test tomorrow? I have my test by at school 4:30. Maybe. I may need to test this without the hunter, so we shall see. I might do a test session tomorrow to test the generators and actually escaping, but obviously, as I said, it will be without the hunter. Yeah. Okay, so yep, that works. If I don't do it, if I failed it, well, that's weird. Why did it not? Put the power down here as well. I'll put the power here. Actually, I can keep that because it's just got singular value. Cool. Good night, avocado. It's possible to make the killer that can't read chat, so players can't communicate. Yes, yeah, it's possible, and something I will do. Why does that not work? I'm not sure. Open slider. Success equals is in clamp. Should work. Because returning if it was. And we need to return the success. That's why. Silly me. It was just, even if I failed it, it was saying, yeah, who did it? Okay, so let's see if I walk away. Yep. I go back in. Probably gonna up the distance a bit more actually. Alright, let's see what happens if I fail. One, I failed the puzzle. Yes, I did. Good. The only problem was it didn't close. Puzzle. So it should have closed. Oh, because I need to do exit puzzle. Remote.server. Priority is this one. Exit puzzle. Oh no, fire client. Fire client. Player. Awesome. And then we'll also need to make it so you can't do that generator again for another like 20 seconds or something like that. Which will be not too difficult. Remotes.server exit puzzle. Oh, it does. Oh, I just didn't fire it. Yeah. It already has that set up. Nice. See you later, Connie. Thank you for watching my stream. It's very kind of you. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, so let's see what happens now if I fail it. Wanna fail the puzzle? Yes, I did. So that wasn't entirely smooth, to be fair. It wasn't as smooth as I want it to be, should I say. So do equals success. We don't really need this completed thing actually. We can just get rid of this and do until success is not equal to nil, and we can get rid of this completed. Yeah. Hey, what's up, man? Develop as you do. I'm a studio builder and come on charges. I can help with the game. Need anything with the game that's made so far. Thank you for the offer. At the moment, I'm developing this game by myself, but in the future, I do like to bring other people onto my team. It's just a sort of like a solo project, like a challenge that I'm doing, kind of like for myself, just to. I do them quite a lot just to make my experience better and kind of challenge me, yeah. But yeah, in the future, if you contact me through Twitter or something, I might be able to get you onto a project. It'll be pretty good to work together. This game is amazing. I love the fact you have to wait to send the generators. Yes, I like that too. I failed the puzzle, that's correct. So I need to make it also that the puzzle only lasts about 5 seconds. I don't know why that was weird. When I did it, got it correct. Open up the puzzle again. So we need to do a delay on this actually. Then we also down here need to do delay 3. No, 5 seconds. You have 5 seconds to actually complete the puzzle. Success is false. So that will fail the puzzle. So when you have 5 seconds to do it, okay? After seeing all your streams so far, it's inspiring me to take a further look into development. Do you have any tutorials or some tips from yourself you'd recommend for starting in development? Some tips, yes. If you're gonna start getting into it, kind of for something like this, you have to practice quite frequently to actually get better. I personally think anyway. Use the wiki. The wiki has a lot of helpful tutorials on there. I don't personally have any myself on this channel. I do have some old ones which you can find in my channel description. They're just unlisted, so you can go watch them. They're old, really old videos though, so they're not amazing, but you know, there's some there. But I'll definitely use the wiki, and also on the dev forum, which is really helpful, because you can just, if you're struggling, you can just make a topic, or you know, ask yourself or something like that. Yeah. Welcome back, Chloe. How about the rotating thing is tuned onto the screen from the bottom when it comes out the bar becomes grey? Oh, I failed the puzzle. Whoops. Do you think that was too difficult? I'm gonna make it 6 seconds actually, yeah. Let's see what happens. So we'll get it, and it goes on, keeps going, keeps going. Cool, our generator is on. Nice. Then if we can't click it anymore because it's on. Nice. Doing anything open to us, we can test it. Yeah. Once I've got the game is sort of like semi-working, so all the items are placed correctly. So once the escape kind of system's done, then I'll probably do some tests with you guys. Yeah. What's your new video about? You have to find out tomorrow at 6:30. I'm not gonna say what it is. You'll just have to watch it and find out. Okay, yeah, that was printing. That was annoying me. What's the other thing we need to do? Oh, we need to cool down on the generators. So another thing we're going to add into the handle is a disabled thing. If info dot I should do just do it like this. If info false. She'll make this into a function because I want to add some more things to this. So disable generator, local info. Did I do? And oh yeah, I need that one anyway. That's fine. I'll just copy this and do disable generator, and then up here we'll just paste this in. Info disabled is true. Yep, so that's good to me. So we need to make it so it has an X over it, but however, I think that is the generator system is complete for now. So I am going to end the stream here. Thank you guys for watching. I know it was only an hour and a half today, but I've got quite a lot of work done today already, and been recording a lot, so I think I'm gonna go have a little break and just have a little relaxing night. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will probably see you tomorrow. Make sure you check out my video at 6:30, and I will try and stream earlier tomorrow as well. Obviously a stream is never guaranteed, but I'll try to do as much as I can. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye.